Today we are comparing two very popular outreach tools, Apollo.io and Instantly.ai. If you are doing cold email outreach, lead generation, or B2B sales, then you have probably heard about both of these platforms. At first, they may look similar because both help businesses to find leads and send outreach campaigns. But in reality, these tools focus on different strengths. One works more like an all in one sales intelligence platform, while the other one focuses heavily on cold email scaling and deliverability. So, before choosing one, this video will help you to understand the real differences in a very simple way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and we help you to discover the useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe the channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on outreach and lead generation tools, because by using the description link discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with Apollo.io. Apollo.io is mainly an all-in-one sales intelligence and outreach platform. It combines a large B2B contact database with prospecting tools, email sequences, CRM features, analytics, and workflow automation. Many businesses use Apollo because they can find the leads and connect them from the same dashboard. One of the biggest strengths of Apollo is the prospect database. Multiple comparisons mention that Apollo includes over 200 million business contacts with advanced filters like company, job title, industries, technologies, buying intent signals, and many more. Apollo also supports multi-channel outreach. Besides email, the platform includes calling features, LinkedIn related workflows, meeting schedule, and CRM system pipeline management. This makes it useful for sales teams that want everything in one system. Now let's talk about the Instantly. Instantly is more focused on cold email infrastructure and deliverability. Instead of becoming a full sales platform, Instantly focuses heavily on helping the users to send larger amounts of cold emails while protecting the inbox reputation. One feature many users like is unlimited email account connections and automated warm-up tools. This helps businesses to scale outreach campaigns more aggressively compared to many traditional outreach platforms. Instantly is also very popular among agencies, lead generation businesses, and founders running high-volume outreach campaigns. Many comparisons mention that flat pricing structure can become much cheaper for teams compared to Apollo's per user pricing system. Another important difference is the ease of use. Many users say Instantly feels simpler because the platform focuses mainly on email outreach. The dashboard is usually easier for beginners who only care about the cold email campaigns. Apollo can feel more complex because it includes many extra tools like prospecting, CRM features, analytics, and workflows. But for larger sales teams, those extra features may actually become very useful. Now, let's talk about the deliverability because this is a major reason many people choose Instantly. Several recent comparisons mention that Instantly performs very well for inbox placement, email warm up, mailbox rotation, and high volume outreach campaigns. Apollo is usually more focused on lead intelligence and stable long term prospecting rather than aggressive cold email scaling. Another interesting thing is that many businesses actually use both platforms together. A common workflow is using Apollo to find and enrich leads, then exporting those leads into Instantly for large scale cold email campaigns. So, which one should you choose? If your main goal is finding leads, managing prospect data, and running outreach from one dashboard, then Apollo is probably the better option. But if your main focus is cold emailing, deliverability, unlimited inboxes, and high volume outreach campaign, then Instantly may fit better. So this comparison is not really about which tool is better overall. It is more about whether you need an all-in-one sales intelligence platform or a specialized cold email outreach system. That's it basically for today's video. Hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between Apollo and Instantly and which outreach tool may fit your business better. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description link for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.